Hello friends, I am Paras from Glamming Videos and you are watching Learn VBA without coding skills. So guys, in previous video I have told you about cells, how to work with cells, and also I had shown you some commands. So in this video we will be working with range. So range is very similar to cells. In cells command we used to mention row index and column index, but range is something different from cells. So let's see how it is different from cells. So let me open the Visual Basic editor. I have already created a new module. So let me create a new procedure, sub new procedure. So range, if you write range followed by small bracket, it is asking for cell 1. So in cells we mentioned row index and cell index, but in this case we'll mention the address of the cell. If you want to select again C3 dot, and if you put a dot here, then it will show you the list of all commands. So if you want to select cell C3, so dot select, enter and run it. Now you can see cell C3 has been selected. Or if you want to type anything, C4 dot value. This is cell C4. If I run this program, what it will do? First it will select cell C3, but it will not select cell C4, but it will write in cell C4, because we have not given a command to select cell C4. We have given a command to select C3 and to write in cell C4. Let's run it and see what happens. So before running, let me select another cell. Now we will run it. Now guys, you can see cell C3 is selected, but this message, this is cell C4, has been printed in cell C4. Now you can understand this is not necessary to select that cell if you want to type something in any cell. But this is only one cell. But range means a selection of cells. So how we can work with selection? So if we want to select multiple cells, like if we want to select cell from E4 to E7, then we can merge those cells with a column and then dot select. Let me put an apostrophe here to make these lines as a comment. Now we will run this program using it. So see guys, range E4 to E7 has been selected, and if we want to type anything from cell F2 to F5, type. So let me make this line as a comment. And in previous video I told you how you can go up if you want to run any line. You can drag this yellow arrow to upside or to downside if you want to skip any line, or if you want to run any line again. So let's run it. You can see it has been printed in cell F2 to F5. So this is the main difference guys. In using cells we can write in only one cell, but using range command we can select multiple cells, we can type in multiple cells as well. So let's see some more commands. If you want to select this column G, how we can do it using range? So range, there are multiple ways to do that. The simplest way is, which you might be thinking, range G colon G dot select. So let me delete this code and we'll run it. Now you can see this column G has been selected. Another way to do it, range G1 dot entire column dot select. Now see, column G has been selected, and if you want to select this column using cells command, then how we can do it? Cells again, cells Now we'll select column H. Because we want to select the whole column, then row index does not matter here. We can write 1 or 2 or whatever we want to write, we can write. Column index here column index matters only. So column index is 7 or 8. If you want to select column H, then you will write 8. Let it close dot entire column dot select. Now you can see column H has been selected. So there are multiple ways to do any task. You want to use cells command, then you can do it. If you want to use range command, that you can also use. So it is up to you what command you want to use. So guys, use this range command, and if you type range here and then put a dot here, then you can see the complete list of commands. And if you find any difficulties in any command, then you can mention in comments, or you can go to freevba.com/ask.php and you can type your question here and submit it. For faster response, you can submit your question here, because if you submit your question here, then I will get a mail and I can reply as soon as possible. So guys, try these commands. There is a huge list of commands. I cannot tell you each command in one video only. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, then you can subscribe our channel Glamming Videos. So in next video, I'll tell you about the selection and offset. So we'll meet in next video. Thank you so much.